was Ndalama invested 250 kwacha in the bank and earned an interest of 50 kwacha after 4 years. Calculate the annual interest rate. Excuse me. So, to calculate the annual interest rate, we are going to use the formula, which is interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate times time over 100. Okay, so now we are going to use this formula. So we're going to go back to the statement to see what is given. Is interest given? Yes. When you read the statement, you see where interest is given. So Ndalama invested 250 kwacha in the bank and earned an interest of 50 kwacha. So the interest is given, which is 50 kwacha. So I'm going to put 50 kwacha there, which is equal to, is the principal given? Yes. The money he invested, the money Ndalama put in the bank, which is 250, that is the principal. Okay, then multiplied by the rate. Is the rate given in the statement? No, we are asked to find the interest rate, so times R. The R will remain just like that. Then time, is time given? Yes. When we read the statement here where the time is given, that is Ndalama invested 250 kwacha in the bank and earned an interest of 50 kwacha after 4 years. So the money stayed in the bank for 4 years. That is the time given. That's the time, the money which the money stayed in the bank. So the time is given, which is 4 years. So we are going to multiply by 4. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the kwacha signs. I just want to write numbers, no units. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to the whole that 250 multiplied by R multiplied by 4 will be divided by 100. Okay, so now here what we're going to do is I want to simplify the numbers on the right side. Remember, my focus is to leave R on the side of the equal sign. So I'll try to do as much as I can. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the fraction, which is I'm going to get rid of 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 50 there, which is equal to, then I'm going to look at the numbers on top if they have got any common factor with the number down. So I'm going to start with 4 and 100. 4 and 100, they have common factors. 4 can go into 100 and in 4 itself. So I'm going to say 4 into 4, it's 1. 4 into 100 is 25. Then as you can see also, 25 has also a common a number that has got a common factor with 25 itself. So the common factor is 25 itself. So we're going to say 25 into 25 is 1. 25 into 250 is 10, to go 10 times. Then I'm going to write what is remaining. So when I divide 10 by 1, I'm going to get 10, then which will be multiplied by R, then will be multiplied by 1. Okay, so the 1 here, which is a denominator in paper, the one down here has been divided, has been used as a divisor of 10, and it has given us the answer, which is 10. Okay, then I do not have a denominator now. Then I'm going to simplify what is on the right side. Remember, I want to leave R alone because I want to find the value of R. So I'm going to write 50 is equal to, then I'm going to multiply 10 by R, will give me 10R, then multiply by 1. Okay, then I'm going to write 50 again, which is equal to 10R by 1 will give me 10R. Okay, now at this stage, remember my focus is to leave R alone, or to make R the subject of the formula, or to find the value of R. Okay, not making R the subject of the formula, but to find the value of R. So which means R should be on one side of the equal sign alone. So I'm going to divide both sides by 10 because I want to leave R alone. So I'm going to say divide by 10, divide by 10. Okay, then I'm going to divide 50 by 10. So 50 divided by 10 will give me 5. then I'm going to, which is equal to, then I'm going to divide 10R by 10. So that means the 10s will cancel each other. So 10 there will be cancelled and 10 down will be cancelled, and leaving us with the R. So the interest rate, the interest rate is 5%. The interest rate is 5%. That was the interest rate. So that was the interest rate, which is like that, 5%. Otherwise, this is how you are supposed to solve it. Let's go to the next question.